Buenos dias everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Starting this one on the riverbed in Valencia on my walk this morning. It's like just gone 7 o'clock. I woke up really early today and I thought, let me get out now and go for a nice long walk while I listen to Office Ladies. I don't know if you can listen to that podcast if you're a fan of the TV show The Office, but it is so good. So you should definitely give it a listen if you haven't already. In case, like, to catch you up, adults in Spain at the moment are allowed to exercise between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. and then 8 to 11 in the evening. You're allowed to go out and like be out around your house for no particular reason. But there's also limited places where you're supposed to go, so you can't just like wander around the town sort of thing at the moment. So one of the places that I can go is the riverbed, because it's like a huge park that runs through the city. And basically when I like get to it, I can either turn left and go this way, which is sort of more parky, or I can go right and go visit the City of Arts and Sciences buildings. So I've just kind of been alternating per day so that it's not too similar. Ooh, and we are getting near a road. Oh my god, there's a cat over there. Oh my gosh, and there's another cat up here. I know I probably shouldn't pet it, but I'm very tempted. Anyway, yes, just kicking off our Wednesday with a nice long walk and apparently some cat sightings. Alright, back from my walk. I was out there for about an hour, so a nice long walk, but yes, that was good. My feet are a bit sore now. In this vlog, I'm very excited because I'm gonna get to show you what our homepage is looking like live on our website. Well, not live yet, but probably live by the time this vlog goes out. I don't know, don't hold me to that. But yesterday I got to review the build of it, so Corey sent me a link to it on our staging server for me to look at how it's going. I did a video actually about my dev QA review, design review, whatever you want to call it, process. I'll leave a link to that on a card if you want to see like my process for going through a build and checking that it matches up with my design, giving feedback to the developer. Yeah, it is looking really cool. It was so exciting to open it up and see the animation that I'd made that you saw me making in a previous vlog on the website, like looking how I thought it would when it was all coming together, because you know, previously I'd seen my static design and I'd seen my animation, but I hadn't seen them together yet. And so that was, yeah, very exciting. And I think it's gonna be a really cool homepage. In this vlog, I'm actually gonna be working with that animation again to make some product ads. I don't know, I think it can be repurposed, and Danny, our copywriter, has written some scripts for me. So I'm essentially gonna go through and add some like captions to the animation to try and turn it into a short little video ad. This isn't something I usually would do at work, and like maybe I don't even need to be doing it because we do have a video producer who can handle this part, but he's not full-time yet. I don't know, but I kind of want to, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do it and yeah, see what I can get done today, and hopefully we can like just have that as a quick win. I hate that word, but like it's kind of relevant sometimes, and get some product ads out there. So yeah, I will be showing you my process for doing that today. I have actually filmed a video all about how I made the animation, which I'm gonna put on screen here so that if you didn't see that past vlog, you know what I'm talking about when I say the animation. Yeah, this thing. I did a video all about how I made it, so stay tuned, that is coming in case anyone is interested in that. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. I have Spanish class tonight at 6 o'clock, which means that I need to fit in most of my work in the first half of today. Normally I don't know, usually end up working till 7 or 8 o'clock. But on days when I have Spanish class, I have to make sure I fit my work in before that, because I don't want to work after class. That's just like too late. I did that on Monday. I was working until like 9 or 9:30 p.m. and it just completely ruined my sleep. Like, to be thinking about work that late at night, yeah, I just couldn't sleep because I was having too many ideas and like my brain just wouldn't turn off. And so I really need to make sure that I finish work at least before 8 o'clock. Like, yeah, before 8 o'clock at the latest, I would say. Anyway, enough of that ramble. Let's get on with the workday. Right, I thought I'd show you an update on where I've been getting to with this animation, because I've just hit like a design problem, I guess is the right word to describe it. And I think I've got a solution for it, so I thought maybe I could like work it out on camera with you. First, let's go back to the start of the video. Sorry if you can hear cars, by the way, because I have the door open over here, letting lots of nice fresh air in. Okay, so it's using this animation, and as it goes along, I'm not gonna like play it fully, but it's got the text at the bottom that Danny wrote to explain each part. And I think it's nice and simple, and it won't be like too much to read, you know. My problem came at the end. So I'm like, okay, I want to have the logo on screen and also this block of text, and it just doesn't look right. I start with, I had the text sort of up by the logo, and it just, do you know what I mean? It just looks wrong. Like, it's just not good design. I think the problem is my hierarchy here. I think that the logo and text are both sort of taking up an even amount of space. And so it's hard to see, I don't know, like one needs to be made vastly more important. So I think what I'm gonna do is have the logo smaller, because I work at a company where we don't care about the logo being the biggest thing on the screen all of the time. And maybe like highlight this word love, I think could be nice, kind of like how I did what are you creating today at the start. So I'm about to go and try that. Okay, so here's what we have now. I think that it's working so much better. So I decided to put the text in the space where the animation was happening before, because previously this was kind of like the most important thing on screen, right? Showing you how the product works. And at the end, we want to close on this line. So this is what ends up in that space, rather than have it down here where it was kind of acting as captions before, you know. Then the logo fits under the bottom, and this is so much more balanced. Yeah, really happy with how this is turning out. Now I'm going to do another version with some different copy. Alright, had lunch, took the trash out, the riveting stuff like that. I don't know. It's really weird that, I don't know, to be in this new phase of the lockdown here in Spain, where a lot more stuff is starting to open up. So I can see bars outside on the street, because we live in the city in Valencia, bars, restaurants, and there's people sitting outside at tables eating, which is just, I don't know, a weird sight after so many months of that not being a thing. I don't know. I think it'd be a while before I personally feel comfortable doing that. But yeah, just all around feels very active out there when I took the trash down just before. There's a lot of people milling about, a lot of them wearing masks, but not all of them. And yeah, just stuff happening, life going back to normal, which feels too soon. I don't know. But is it ever gonna feel right? Who knows? Anyway, I'm about to get into my work session for the afternoon. This afternoon I've got a few meetings. One, I'm gonna get on a call with the creative director at Figma and just have a chat about, like, learn about her role, how she runs the team, that sort of thing. I like to get on calls with other people in the industry, you know, and learn how they're doing things and what I could apply to my own process. So very grateful that they're willing to do that. Then I've got a call with my manager, and then I've got a call with some newbies. We have a few new engineers start lately, and being a remote team, obviously when you start at a company, you don't like turn up and like everyone's there to, like, you know, have lunch with them and greet you, etc. So what we like to do is arrange a bunch of onboarding calls for new people who join the team, and they're kind of like part get to know you calls, and part each like person who like an existing team member on a call with a new one is assigned to teach them about how we use a certain piece of software. So, you know, they get to know a little bit about a tool that we use in the company, but also just get to meet more people on the team at the same time. So yeah, I really love doing that. We're a small team, so I still want to like try and get to know everyone on it, you know. We're getting, I don't know, it's getting difficult now, to be honest. I think we're 54 people maybe now, maybe more, I don't know. But yeah, it's a lot. There's a lot of people to know. So putting in the effort where I can to get to know new people on the team. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and get into the work. everybody. You might have noticed that I've changed my clothes, and that is because it's actually the next day. The end of yesterday was just like back-to-back meeting. I didn't even have time to like go and grab a drink of water in between them. And yeah, basically by the end of it, it was sort of like 4 hours of meetings, and then I was pretty exhausted and completely forgot to end off the vlog. And so I'm gonna do it today, the next day, and show you the homepage that I promised you at the start of the vlog. I'm sorry that I kept you waiting until right near the end. Okay people, this is it. This is the new ConvertKit homepage that there's a couple of tweaks still to be made, but mostly this is it. See how this animation is just like playing in the spot there? Isn't that so cool when you load the page? Ah, I'm obsessed. I really like it. She says about her own work, but hey. So yeah, this is like turned out how I wanted, which is very exciting. We've got these big photos here, text. See that cool animation there that Corey did with the line? Loving it. Then we end here with the template, and then these are dynamic content. So this pulls the latest guide, the latest upcoming workshop, and then a link to quick tip videos. Yeah, this is our homepage. It's all come together. Honestly, when I look at it, it is pretty simple, and so it's kind of ridiculous the amount of time that it took. But, you know, that's just how these things go. And it took a lot of time to synthesize the information and get to this point to decide this is what was best. So yeah, and as we shrink in, these blobs like bleed off the edge of the page, which I love. I think that looks really cool to have it coming in from the side there. Yeah, really proud of this. These two videos play on the page as well. Yeah, just overall really proud of this, and I think it's a great representation of our brand to be leading with people, you know, instead of just screenshots of software, although we do have some screenshots in there as well. Yeah, I'm now thinking, if I just open it up over in Figma, hold on a sec. If you've been on our website before, you would have seen that this is our old homepage, so it's definitely more of a product focus. You know, it talks about features specifically, shows little stylized illustrations of features, if my camera is focusing. And I really like this page. Like, I think it's a good page, and a lot of work has gone into refining this and, you know, making it into a really good converting page. But this version over here is just a much better representation of our brand and the types of creators who we're trying to attract to you know, use our product. Because I like this page though, I'm thinking of turning it into our features page, which is currently quite an old page. I'm thinking that there's a way I can reuse the whole pathway flow type thing to instead lead to blocks about our different features with links off to the other feature pages. I don't know, just an idea at this stage, but that's probably something that I'm gonna look at doing in the next few months. Hope you enjoyed seeing that. You can probably go, like, I'm fairly sure it's gonna be launched by the time this vlog goes out, so you can go to convertkit.com and see it for yourself if you like. Let me know if you spot any bugs, you know. All right, I will end this vlog here though, so that I can get on with my Thursday. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a good day. I hope you had a good week, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.